Very important question from the Leetcode contest 451, and this is weekly contest 451 on Sunday, right? So today is Sunday, and the question first is we have to find the minimum log transportation cost, right? So let's read the question so you will understand the question easily. Let me zoom it. Okay, so just pause this video and go through the statement. Okay, let me read the question for you. So you are given a integer n, m and k. So there are three integers we have given. There are two logs of length n and m units, which needs to be transported in three trucks, where each truck can carry one log with the length at most k units. You must cut the logs into smaller pieces, where the cost of cutting a log of length x into logs of length 1 and 2 is cost length 1 into length 2, such that length 1 plus length 2 is equal to x. And we have to return the minimum total cost to distribute the log onto the trucks. If the logs don't need to be cut, the total cost is 0. Okay, and for example, we have given n is 6, m is 5 and k is 3. These three integers we have given, and output is coming 5. So let's read the explanation. Explanation is saying that cut the log with a length of 6 into logs with length 1 and 5 at a cost equal to 1 into 5 is equal to 5, right? And now 3 logs of length 1, 5 and 5 can fit in one truck each. Okay, and so the output is coming 5, right? Means this question can be called, right, minimum log transportation cost, right? And it involves a transporting 2 logs using 3 trucks, right? So we have 2 logs we have given, but 3 trucks we have also given, right? So there is some constants we have given, right? With this constant on how large each pieces can be transported, right? That we have given, and we have to return the minimum total cost to distribute the logs onto the trucks, right? So just imagine you have 2 wooden logs of lengths n and m, and you have 3 trucks, right? So the two things we have given, what? N and m, right? And you have 3 trucks, and each can carry only one log piece, and the piece length cannot exceed the k. What I'm saying? You have to just think that you have 2 wooden logs of length this n and m, okay? And you have, let's suppose, 3 trucks you have, right? And each truck can carry one log piece, right? And the piece's length cannot exceed this one, k equal to something. So if k you are exceeding, that is wrong. You should not exceed the k size, right? Length of the piece cannot exceed k. If a log is too long to fit in a truck, right? If the log is too long to fit in a truck, you can cut it into smaller pieces. And so if you see here, the n is given is 6, which is exceeding k. It means the length 6 we have to cut into some pieces, and that is 1 and 5. So k not exceeding, right? Means the length is not exceeding the k, right? And so you can cut it into smaller pieces like 1 and 5, right? But cutting cost money. The cost is based on the how you can cut the log, right? So cost is, we are cutting, what is the cost? At a total cost to 1 into 5 is equal to 5, right? And that we have given here. So you may cut the log into smaller pieces, where the cost of cutting the log into the log's length, means let's suppose length 1 we have given and length 2 have given. So cost, how will we define? Length we have to multiply it, and so we were multiplying the length, and we have to return it. I hope you understand the problem, right? So if a log is too long to fit in a truck, you can cut it into smaller pieces, but cutting cost money, and the cost is based on how you can cut the log, right? So what the cutting cost, if you can cut a log of length, right, then how we are going to define? So length, the cost will be if you cut a log of length x into two pieces of length a and b, let's suppose, so the cost will become what? A into b. Like we have given length a and b we have given, right? So we have to multiply that, the product of the length. So you want to cut the logs in a way to minimize the total cost and will fit all the pieces into 3 trucks, right? So what are the key constants we have given? So these are the constants we have given, that each truck can carry one piece and each piece must have length should be less than equal to k, right? And then there are only 3 trucks are there, and you can cut the logs at most to split up into 2 pieces. If no cutting is needed, return 0, cost is 0. I hope you understand, right? Let's understand the code. So there are some steps are there that you need to follow it, right? So let's suppose our intuition is to we can keep the logs as if they fit no cost or cost is 0. Otherwise we cut the log into 2 pieces. That is our intuition, right? If we can keep the logs, right, then means as fit as it is given, like k is not exceeding k, it means no cost is needed, right, and the cost is 0. Otherwise we have to cut into the pieces, 2 pieces, and then we have to distribute the cost, right? We have to multiply the product of the length. Because we have only 3 trucks, so total pieces should be less than equal to 3. Okay, so either one log stay uncut and the other is cut into 2 pieces. Let's suppose total 3 pieces was there, right? So both log stay uncut 2 pieces, or one is cut, the other stay uncut. Okay, now what will we approach? Our approach will be decide how many pieces for our long, let's suppose log n equal to 1 or 2, right? Decide how many pieces were 1 or 2, m, n or m will be 1 or 2 or 1 or 2, let's suppose. So total pieces will be how? Pieces of n plus pieces of m should be less than equal to 3. And so we will generate all the valid split for each logs. If first piece, let's say piece 1 having the length, right, should be less than equal to k. If the piece 2, try all the split a and b, right, with a plus b length equal to length, and that should not exceed the k. Then you will, what you will do, we will calculate the cost, you will multiply the length, and you will try the combination of the you can say split, and then you will pick. And for that you just first of all take the mean cost like this, right? You will take the maximum value, so you will get the mean cost. Okay, try all the combination of how many pieces the first log n can be split into 1 or 2, right? Just we have to think about. So first log is n, right? We'll take the first pieces. How you have to decide how many pieces for log n, 1 or 2, and for that you will go for 1 to 2. Then try all the combination of how many pieces the second log m can be split 1 or 2. Again you will make another loop. Now check if the total means I plus j, total pieces exceed 3, then skip the combination, just continue it. If we are okay, next step what we will do, we will generate all the valid split for each log. If piece 1, if first piece, the whole length must be less than equal to k, right? So for that we'll create a function nik and we'll check the length. So we'll check the length if the first part is equal to 1 and the length is less than equal to k, then we'll add on to the result, right? Otherwise, if 2 pieces are needed, try all the possible cuts. So you try all the possible cuts like this, and if it is fine with the k, right, check the split if both pieces fit into the truck, and then we'll return finally this one. So we are here at this method. So we have generated all the valid split for the log n, right? And if one piece, the whole length must be less than equal to k, that we have done. Then we'll go for the similarly for piece 2. Then we'll generate all the valid split for each log. So there is 2 log was there, right? So for the first one piece and two piece. Then try all split A and B. If the length of A and B both are less than equal to K, then we have generated all the splits, you can say. So in this step, you only need to generate all the valid splits for each logs, right? And we have the helper function we have already created. Now, when you go to run these steps, right, what you need to do? You have to calculate the cutting cost. 0 if no cut, otherwise A into B. Just multiply their lengths if a split into two parts, right? And for that, calculate the cutting cost if a splitted, right? And for each split, you have to check the cost and you have to update the minimum cost. Try all the combinations, because here, why we are taking two loops here, because you have to try all the combination of a split and then you have to pick the minimum cost, right? So each time you will update the minimum cost, right, from the cost n plus m, because you have two costs are there, right, where two pieces are there, m and n, right, because we have taken we have to actually decide we have to decide how many pieces we can do. Either you decide how many pieces for log n. So for all the log n, either you will go with 1 or 2. Similarly, for all the cost, we have to decide also how many pieces for log m, either 1 or 2. So we have to combine these two costs, right? Means total pieces, means piece of n and piece of m should be less than equal to n. K is less than equal to 3. So total piece is equal to cost pieces of n and pieces of m should be less than equal to 3. Means it should not exceed the 3. Maximum 3 trucks are given, right? And that pieces we have to count. And then you have to find the cost, their cost, and this cost should be minimum. I hope you understand, right? What you need to do? Let me zoom. Though first you initialize the minimum cost to a very large number, right? The minimum cost, so you can update with the minimum. And for every or each possible number of pieces, for n, 1 or 2 will go for the pieces, and then we'll generate all the valid splits. Similarly, we'll go for each possible number of pieces for m, right? And then either we'll go for 1 or 2 pieces, and then we'll generate all the split, and then we'll skip if the length is greater than 3, we'll skip it. Otherwise, we'll calculate the cost of each pair and we'll update our minimum cost if found a smaller cost, and finally we'll return the minimum cost. Why we are going with the why we are checking the possible cost for m and n? Because both we have given, m we have given, n we have given. So we have to check the possible number of pieces for m and n. So these possible pieces can be 1 or 2. So all the possible pieces will do and will return it. Let me know in the comment box you like this video, and please hit subscribe this channel so you will get more videos like this. We'll do more deep dive session on these contest videos in this week. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please support us, Expert Honda by subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.